Good morning, friends. The Honorable Guwahati High Court, Justice Soumitra Saikia, has rejected the review of appeal in the case filed by Srimati Renuka Das versus Bhaskar Das, husband, right, regarding a matrimonial appeal. This is a review petition number 73 by 2020, holding that refusal to wear sindoor is amounting to cruelty. Refusal to wear sindoor by the wife, it amounts to cruelty. Of course, not only this point, there are so many other added circumstances which said that she is not willing to have a conjugal or good relation with the husband. This is one part, but this is the major part. Why? I will tell you. Right now, by now, you might have understood that this is a review petition on the appeal filed by the husband. Of course, if you go to the facts, the husband, Mr. Bhaskar Das, he filed a matrimonial dispute number, I think it is 9 by 2014 in Dibrugarh court, or Digboy, in Digboy court, that is District Judge Digboy. So for the judicial invalidation of his marriage and also grant of divorce, as the wife Renuka Das is not in good terms with him and she is showing cruelty towards him, and she is not at all willing to live with him because she has deserted him. Simply to say, on the ground of cruelty and desertion, according to Hindu Marriage Act Section 13, he filed the application for divorce. Right? So in that connection, the Honorable District Court, Family Court, District Court, they have used their best efforts to unite the couple. Ultimately, so the case, the judicial separation, the dissolution of marriage, and also judgment, and also decree was given. So agreed by this, she has approached the High Court for a review. Right? Prior to that, what happened is, this woman, Renuka Das, she filed a case against the husband Bhaskar Das in Digboy EPS, DIGBOI, not Dibrugarh, Digboy EPS. Right? It was registered to the police as a case in crime number 159 by 2013 under section 498A IPC. You may be very well knowing about 498A IPC because nowadays so many women are giving such cases, that is cruelty and harassment. If any husband or the relatives of the husband show cruelty or harass the victim or wife for additional dowry or for whatever it is, then they are liable for punishment up to 3 years. That is what section 498A IPC says. Right? So normally it is a common thing for a wife to file a case of 498A against the husband. Of course, the trial went on, but the Honorable Court acquitted the case. Right? In the meantime, what happened is, so the elders, of course, the elders gathered, they tried to effect a sort of compromise, and a deed was also written. What does the deed say? The contract agreement says that the husband has to maintain the wife in a separate rented accommodation, and to that place the relatives of the husband should not come, they should not visit. So these two incidents, number one, that she filed a case against the husband which ended in acquittal, and secondly, this agreement, right, after some time the agreement was also, I think, not strictly enforced by the husband. It seems some of the relatives visited. Therefore, she filed another case in crime number 200 by 230 by 2013 under section 471 and also 420 IPC. That means 471 means using the forged signature. That means she has alleged that the husband has forged the document and he has cheated her, and he is allowing his relatives to visit the rented accommodation. That means he has violated the conditions of the contract or agreement. right? That case is still pending in the police station or in the criminal court, right? Now, as regards the evidence, this is the most crucial point, right? So, during the trial or during the inquiry of the case, so the wife, that is Renuka Das, she has clearly stated that I am not wearing sindoor right now. I am not wearing the so-called sindoor right now because I do not consider him as a husband. The court has taken judicial notice of the fact. She has openly stated, I don't consider him as my husband. Now, the court concluded that the marriage was irrevocably broken, as she stated that he would not consider him as a husband. So, when she stated on oath, please remember, on oath she stated in the open court, when she stated like this, the marriage cannot sustain and it would not be a happy marriage also. Even such stand of the wife not wearing sindoor, it would hurt the feelings of the husband to a great extent, is it not? By making such statement, the wife has repudiated the marriage. Finish. So, in this case, in this connection, it would not be good for the court even to force the husband to live in the company of his wife. Definitely. So, stating like this and not wearing sindoor definitely is considered as an incident of cruelty. Normally, it is not sufficient to go for the so-called judicial dissolution of the marriage. But here, it is an isolated case, or where is a case definitely where the court has come to the conclusion that she exhibited cruelty and it led to the grant of divorce. The divorce is granted. The marriage is dissolved. Now, the said Renuka Das, she has filed a review petition before the court. Now, what did she say? She said that, number one, because of the harassment only, she filed the case before the police and it is not her fault. The prosecution could not prove the case beyond all reasonable doubt. Because of so many intricacies, the case ended acquittal. Second, it is a fact that there was an agreement between her and the husband because of the elders, because of the intervention of the elders. And in that agreement, it is stated that neither the relatives of the husband nor her relatives, both of them, they should not, neither of them should visit. That means they should not pay a visit to their house. This is what is this in the agreement. But the Honorable Court did not take it seriously. They took a view that the relatives of the husband only should not come and therefore there is every material for review. But now the Honorable Gauhati High Court, they have stated that so Renu Das indulged in false accusations against her husband because she filed a case, two cases. So the justified resolution grant of divorce can definitely it will sustain and they have based in the famous case of Rani Narasimha Shastri versus Rani Sunila Rani, and where the circumstances almost they similar. So now the relations between the wife and husband they have come to such a strained stage that the written agreement was executed. How bad it is. That too with the condition that Bhaskar Das relatives should not visit the place. Right? So that means depriving the company of the husband with his relatives or family members. Definitely it does not indicate a successful marriage. Right? And she has filed the second case. All these things have been discussed at length. So anyway, so normally by seeing the heading, refusal to wear sindoor, emotional cruelty, we were under the wrong impression. But now, if you go into the details of the case, this is one fact, but please remember about the judicial notice. Before the court, you must hold your tongue in order. If you speak like this, things will be like this only. This is a good case, but now, so not wearing sindoor. If she does not wear sindoor right from the beginning, it not have been harassment. When she stated that right now, I don't wear sindoor because I do not consider her as husband, means she does not have any faith in him. That means the marriage is irrevocably broken. Therefore, the judgment given by the district judge is 100% correct and no review. The High Court did not allow the review. right? Thank you.